Hi, this is Harley Green. I'm the Application Engineering Manager here at Robotics. Today we're going to show you how to make a two-finger parallel gripper from a UR Plus kit. This kit can be used to pick up objects such as injection molded plastics, lightweight metals, and consumer packaged goods. Today we're going to be making a two-finger tool using our two-finger parallel hub. To do this, we'll need our spacers. We'll attach those to the center hub like so. We'll then take our finger modules, attach those to the spacers. We'll take our tie rod, we'll attach our end nut, we're going to go ahead and pass that through the center. Take our other end cap nut, attach that, take our hex driver, tighten down that nut. Last step is adding the robot adapter. Go ahead, grab that. It's keyed. We want to make sure we match up the keyway. Take our center screw, our Allen wrench. We're going to go ahead and tighten that down. We now have a two-finger gripper that will enable us to pick up objects like this.